Hi friends, my name is Aman and you can see a lot of greenery over here, and these are so many greenery. These are leaves of carrots and this is unwanted plants. So I'm going to uproot it from the bottom. I can't see. So there are roots, these are roots, and you can see this is a long root and there are thin roots, and you can see it's pink over here, and there is a lot of cuddly greenery over here, and you can see the carrots are growing over here, and you can see this side also, and you can see there these are radishes over here. You can see how much thick is it. I can't pull it, and this is so thick that it has the underground. This side you can see the beans of this mustard plant. They have grown thick, and you can see over here, and these are blue flowers. And these you can see these are blue flowers. You can see, and they are growing bigger and bigger. This side you can see there are a lot of greenery near our houses. Who has walked this?
I don't know.
Okay, and this is a white flower and it is of radish, and you can see there is a greenery, and you can see there is something I show you some. And look, that is cat running.
And she has eaten the pallet.
Look, you can see this is garlic, and this side, and there is spinach. This side you can see a lot of spinach, and there is a lot of coriander over here. And this side, French beans must be hanging at that place. We take a bath. There was this much thick French beans. And from this side you can see these are small French beans, bigger than that beans, and there are so many French beans up there. Bye. Meet in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.